Okay guys, this is our weekly order block that we have been waiting for with the fair value gap that we have here. So you can see prices at this level here. So from this level here, we were anticipating to see a decline, and you can see that our price is now showing willingness to go down. But what we can do, we can go to smaller time frame and get to look at what is happening and find re-entries within that smaller time frame. But if you get to look at this level here, you can see that we have volume imbalance here. So but let's switch to a smaller time frame. Let me just mark these. So we switch to a smaller time frame. We look on daily, there is nothing, and then we go to 4-hour time frame. There is really nothing, unless this candle here closes and then this becomes an order block here. So we can just anticipate price to push back, the next candle to push back and test that order block and continue to go down. But right now this candle didn't close yet, so we gonna go to 1 hour. So from 1 hour, these what we have here. We have this order block here. So let me just mark it and see if price came back to it. So we have this order block here. Price came back, first test of that order block, it went down. Let's go to 30 minutes and see if we have something. So you can see from 30 minutes here, we have this order block here. Price came back, pushed down, it left something at this level here. But if you get to look at this price, push down, push back, get to this order block here. So these are breaking market structure here. These are likely breaking market structure that you get to see. Price push back and then break this structure here. So we might see price push back, get to this level here, and then continue to go down. But what we're going to be anticipating for, it's for you to sell. Okay, whenever price gets to give you a retracement, you're going to be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, even right now you can sell maybe at this level, put your stop loss somewhere here, but I will suggest that you wait for a retracement. But if you are afraid that price might not give you a retracement, but make sure that you manage your risk very well. Okay, because let's take let me just calculate from here. I mean from here to 60, and then if you move from here, let's take you enter here. We should start here. Let's take you enter here. This 400 and something pips, so you pips in points, so you're gonna divide by 10. It's 40 pips. So because the move, we anticipate to see the move being huge, so we can enter here, targeting, putting a stop loss above this high here, and then this is gonna be probably your first target here. But let's go to 15 minutes and look if we can see anything. Okay, so on 15 minutes, it's clear this is what we have here. We have an order block here. Price came back to that order block, and now price is pushing down. So you can see that we have these relatively equal lows here that we want to see price take them out. Okay, so this is where we want to see sell side liquidity being collected. So if you entered early, as we have discussed, you can target your first take profit to be on this sell side liquidity here. Okay, so you have already banked your 30 pips, I believe, because from here to here it's already 400 and something pips in points. You divide by 10, you get the actual number of pips. So from this low, it's gonna be 50 pips. So this is it. This is actually how you get to play around with your entry point. So you get to see that we have something here at this level here. So price push down, and then we get to see a break in market structure here. So these are break in market structure, price push back just to balance this liquidity void here, and then it continue to go down. So if right now price has to push up, we definitely anticipate to see price push up maybe to this level of our low here, and then continue to go down. Okay, so but we don't want to see price going above this level here. If you look on the 5 minutes chart, so this is what we have here. We have this level here, and if you get to look carefully, we have this level as our fair value gap. Okay, so this is the level that we have as our fair value gap. So price just closed that fair value gap on 5 minutes, and we get to see price continue to go down. So this is actually how you get to look at things when you are at the level of your order block. You can switch to a smaller time frame and get to have confirmation. Okay, you can just switch to a smaller time frame and have a lot of confirmation in that time frame. So basically that's how I get to play around this thing. You take 30 pips, you scale your trade. 30 pips, you scale your trade. So don't be afraid to switch around time frames and look for re-entries